In this video, I'll guide you through how to monetize a blog on Bluehost with ads using the Sitekit by Google plugin. If you already have a WordPress site hosted on Bluehost and you're ready to start earning from your content, this walkthrough will help you set things up in a simple, reliable way. First, let's quickly talk about what Sitekit by Google actually does. Sitekit is an official plugin from Google that connects key Google tools to your WordPress site, including Google AdSense. Instead of you manually pasting ad code into your theme files, Sitekit handles those code snippets for you. That means less risk of breaking your site and a much easier setup for displaying ads. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard that's connected to your Bluehost hosting. From the left-hand menu, go to the Plugins section and choose Add New. In the search bar, type Sitekit by Google. When you see the plugin appear, click Install and then Activate. Once it's activated, you'll notice a new Sitekit option in your dashboard menu. Next, you'll connect Sitekit to your Google account. Click on the Sitekit section and you'll be guided through a setup process. This usually involves signing in with your Google account, granting permissions, and confirming that you own the site. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These permissions allow Sitekit to communicate with your Google services safely and automatically. Now, to actually monetize with ads, you'll use Google AdSense through Sitekit. Inside the Sitekit dashboard, look for the AdSense option. If you already have an AdSense account, you can connect it here. If you don't, you'll be prompted to create one. Either way, Sitekit will walk you through the process, provide the details AdSense asks for, agree to the terms, and submit your site for review if required. Once your AdSense account is connected and approved, the key benefit of Sitekit kicks in. It automatically inserts the necessary AdSense code snippets into your Bluehost WordPress site. You don't have to touch any theme files or worry about where to paste code. Sitekit will place the ads for you using auto ads, which lets Google decide the best locations around your content. Make sure that in the AdSense section of Sitekit, auto ads are turned on. This setting allows Google to test different placements and formats to maximize your potential earnings without you doing any manual layout work. It may take some time for ads to start appearing, especially if your site is new or still under review. That's normal. Check back after a few hours or a day to see if ads are starting to show. After ads are active, you can use the Sitekit dashboard to see basic performance information. You'll be able to check impressions, clicks, and estimated earnings without leaving your WordPress admin area. For more detailed reports or to adjust ad styles and blocking controls, you can always log directly into your AdSense account. The great part of this approach is that Sitekit keeps your integration up to date. If Google changes how code snippets should be inserted, the plugin handles it behind the scenes. You just keep creating quality content and Sitekit and AdSense take care of the ad delivery. So that's the process. Install Sitekit by Google on your Bluehost WordPress site, connect it to your Google and AdSense accounts, and let the plugin automatically insert the necessary code snippets to monetize your blog with ads.